Good evening to all. Welcome to the today's session. Okay, this one the before I explain about the fire hazards and controls. Okay, after I will explain about our OBE. This outcome. This one is the open book examination. I will explain about this open book examination. Only the few things only I explained here OBE. Yep. Open book examination point of view. And the Friday I will explain everything about OBE because I will the present the slides show also because how they will use the mobile app or some app. Okay, and what we do the process and everything I explain. Okay, now also just after maybe they finish this class, maybe the after maybe the 40 minutes 40 or 45 minutes later I will explain about this OBE exam also, and the full information I will explain in the Friday session. Okay, now here. Okay, this my voice is audible or not? Just please the chat box, please give the answer, yes or no, please, all of you. The chat window, please, all of you, chat window, please, the mention my voice is audible or not, right? Okay, here these are the fire hazards and the control also. Okay, already everybody the know about this fire because the most of maybe the construction site location and maybe everywhere these fire hazards are very important one, and also this the controlling is very important one. That's why more jobs also there in the department also there, any government organization, this type of the department also there. Okay, therefore this is very important, the fire. Okay, and also the fire fighting the equipment everywhere the establishing that purpose also this course is need. And also fire and safety, the negotiation offered the one course for the fire and safety also, and the some other the construction the courses also. These are the very important courses in the everywhere this nebos course is useful. Okay, here this one is the fire is very important one. Okay, and the fire courses are also very important courses. And the why the need of these fire courses means because the fire is the one of the part here. Therefore here your our routine life also this fire is useful, sometimes are useful, sometimes are not useful. Okay, means for example cooking purpose we need this fire, but maybe the company maybe one maybe fired means that is not a that is the one accident, or maybe that is the one serious offense like only. Okay, therefore here the fire is nothing but the totally the three combination. Okay, therefore in this fire the fire equal to simply the equation wise if you writing means just only need fuel. Okay, and this fuel plus after one the oxygen. Okay, and the oxygen plus, and also this provides some heat. This the chemical reaction. Okay, this chemical reaction maybe this like here the entire this chemical reaction process, fuel plus oxygen plus the heat, these three this chemically they are reacted, that is nothing but the fire. Therefore the triangle of fire is explains these things, the very important things. Okay, I will first the next slide I will explain you after I come back. Okay, the fire triangle, the extinguishing fire point of view, this is the for example cooling. What is the cooling nothing but the fire by removing the heat, means without heat is nothing but the cooling. Okay, no heat, nothing but the cooling. That's why the fire by removing the heat means no heat, simply nothing but cooling. Okay, The starving is nothing but the fire of fuel. The starving means that is the maybe that much of intensity. Okay, starving. The starving, the fire of fuel. Okay, and the smothering, the fire by limiting the oxygen supply. The smothering means automatically, for example, this is the fire. Okay, if you maybe the decrease the oxygen supply, automatically this fire also decreasing here, like here, this is known as the smothering process. The fire by limiting the oxygen supply means reduce the oxygen supply, then automatically that is the process known as smothering process. The fire is decreasing. Whenever if you reduce the oxygen supply, then fire also reduced. This is known as the smothering process. Therefore, here this fire triangle, this is very important, the fire triangle. What explains this fire triangle means here in this fire triangle, this is the triangle. In this, what are the components are there? First one is the oxygen, smothering, heat of source of ignition, this is cooling, the fuel, this is the starving. Therefore, here in this the fire triangle, in this the three, the important the things are there here, the oxygen, fuel and heat. In this, any one if you removing, automatically the fire is decreasing. For example, if you have the no fuel, for example here in this, okay, if you remove this fuel, means no fuel means automatically no fire. Okay, no fire. Therefore, here no fuel. For example, if no oxygen supply that location, automatically never the fire. Okay, or maybe that is very cool, means the water is just like cooling. Okay, no heat, simply no heat, then no fire also. Therefore, this is the fire, the triangle of the fire. Anyone is not there, automatically the no fire. This explains this fire triangle. This is the fire triangle. In this fire triangle, for example, no fuel, no fire. Okay, for example, in this, the no oxygen, that location, then maybe automatically no fire. That's why this fire is this is the chemical reaction of the oxygen, the fuel and the heat. For example, fuel nothing but maybe in case of the petrol. Petrol means automatically maybe fire. Okay, petrol is there means some oxygen supply and also heat is there, means automatically the fuel is there, petrol is there, means automatically they're fire. But in case of no fuel means automatically no fire. That's why this fire triangle is explains. Anyone is removing, then automatically fire also the removed. Okay, no fire. This the triangle of the fire. In this, the sources of ignition may be naked flames. Okay, maybe due to the electricity. Sometimes we are using the more time that electrical equipments. Okay, therefore this electricity, due to this electricity, some equipments the overheating. Okay, automatically the overheating the convert into the fire, like arcing also. For example, the two maybe some the using the, these are some conductor materials, then automatically some after maybe the in between they generate the some arcing. This is maybe some the arcing is nothing but the process of discharge of the electricity. Okay, therefore the discharge of this electricity, then automatically if you touch here, for example, unfortunately your maybe your hand is this location. Okay, therefore automatically this the ignition is coming, maybe the fire, therefore the electricity. And also the smoking materials. Okay, you are using maybe some smoking materials, then automatical ignition. These are the different sources of ignitions. Okay, automatically the fire coming. Hot works, maybe welding and burning, and the chemical reactions giving of heat. Okay, for example, the human being, any process, for example, in case of the petrol process, the petrol process, the just one, the chemical reactions giving off heat. For example, chemical the reactions in this, the giving of heat. Okay, any chemical reaction automatically give the chemical reactions. And next one, the heating appliances, maybe the hot surfaces, the heating appliances, we are using maybe the hard surfaces, then automatically this is the sources of ignition. And friction means if you have the maybe the wheel is rotating, maybe after some time automatically the no lubrication, then the fire is coming. Okay, therefore this is the friction means inadequate lubrication, then automatically the sources of ignition. Okay, and the next one is the static electricity and also the lightning. Okay, and also the improper storage of flammable materials and a lack of inspection and supervision. This also causes sources of ignition. Okay, and the harm to the persons from fire. Okay, main effects. Okay, due to fire, the main effects are the being burned. Okay, burned and inhaling toxic fumes. Okay, because in case of the fire location, they get the very high toxic gases and maybe the fog coming more. Okay, inhaling toxic fumes, effects of smoke inhalation. Okay, and the depletion of oxygen supply, the depletion of oxygen supply, and the other effects point of view, the collapse of building also. Okay, due to this fire, and the crush or other injury the sustained while escaping. These are the harm to the persons from fire. And flash point and flammable, because we have the, for example, in case of the water, if you heating automatically maybe 100 degrees centigrade, after 100 degrees centigrade, then they start the maybe the evaporation process, vaporizing. Okay, therefore this is the some of the flash points are there, flammable points like here. Therefore the flash point is the lowest temperature at which the vapor the given off by a substance will ignite when brought in contact with the source of ignition. This is known as the lowest temperature, is known as the flash point, at which that location automatically the substance in case of that location automatically vapored. Okay, this is one of the flash point. The fire point is nothing but when the fire point is reached, sufficient gas or vapor is being given off to sustain a flame when in contact with the source of ignition. For example, this is the one of the one maybe the one source of the, for example, source. For example, this is the candle. Okay, the candle is the source of the ignition. For example, the candle. In this candle, what is need? Oxygen. For example, if you close this one, for example, with some glass, maybe automatically after maybe 5 minutes, after maybe 10 minutes, because the inside some oxygen is there. Okay, therefore automatically this oxygen is burned. Okay, the utilized. Okay, zero oxygen this location. Then automatically after some time this is maybe no fire. Okay, therefore this is the fire point like here. Here this no the fire point will reach sufficient gas. Then you have the need some sufficient gas, automatically fire point. The flash point nothing but temperature here. The lowest temperature. Okay, the how much the lowest temperature is there from this one, this ignition. This is known as the flash point. And the auto ignition temperature. This is the temperature. Okay, at which gases or vapor will ignite without any external source of ignition. For example, if you use matchbox, maybe the fire it. But here ignition is coming. Maybe ignite, for example, will ignite without any external source of ignition. Automatically, they start, maybe they fired automatically. These are known as the auto ignition temperature. At this temperature, for example, you know the phosphorus, maybe the green type of the phosphorus, some the different types of phosphorus are there. Phosphorus is different forms, P1, P2, P3 forms. The three forms are available. In this, the maybe the second and third forms, if you leave the outside due to the temperature and oxygen, then automatically after some time, automatically this is burned. Okay. Therefore, these are known as the auto ignition temperature. This is the temperature at which gases or vapor will ignite without any external the source of the ignition. This is the flammable. The liquids with a flash point between 32 degrees centigrade to and 55 degrees centigrade. These are known as the flammables. The liquids, this flash point is means the lowest temperature, 32 degrees centigrade or in between the 55 degrees centigrade. These are liquids are known as the flammable materials. Okay, for example, in case of our petrol, automatically fine. Okay, this is a flammable material, liquid with a flash point is between 32 degrees centigrade and 55 degrees centigrade. These are the flammable items. Highly flammable, maybe liquids with a flash point below 32 degrees centigrade. Below 32 degrees centigrade means, for example, at room temperature also automatically this is burned. For example, generally the room temperature is known at 29 degrees centigrade, or some location use maybe 27 degrees centigrade. This is the room temperature. This is the room temperature, 27 degrees centigrade. But only 32 degrees centigrade, below 32 degrees centigrade means our room temperature, that time also automatically highly flammable. But this is above, this between 32 degrees centigrade and 55 degrees centigrade, 32 to 55 means originally room temperature 29 or 27 or 28 like here. But this location, these are the liquids. Okay, liquid like only, never the flammable means never maybe the burn. Okay, means never fired. But the highly flammable means very less temperature location also, means you keep outside automatically, maybe 10 degrees centigrade, maybe 20 degrees centigrade, automatically you find. Okay, these are known as the flash point, highly flammable, the liquids with a flash point the below 32 degrees centigrade. Principal causes of the spread of fire. These are the, for example, if you the consider, this is the burner. Okay, the burner is just like maybe in case of our students, most of the people they are doing the maybe intermediate, some of the 10+2 location, they are do the some experiments, the physics experiments, chemistry experiments. The location compulsory use this type of the burners, or burner, or maybe just only the candle like only. This is burner also same like the candle like. The burner gives the more the ignition. Okay, more fire this one. Okay, therefore here this, for example, this is the one iron piece. This heat automatically, this is the conduction process, automatically this is heated. Okay, this tip is heated, this is okay, the flow this like here. Okay, these are the heat flow, the movement of the heat flow or conduction of the heat flow in the materials. Therefore burner is okay, the heat some the material, automatically that material also heated. For example, this is the heater. Okay, therefore is the heater that gives the heat energy this like here, the upsides up. That's why most of the ventilations, why they are kept at the maybe the upsides only, not downside. For example, this is the one room. Okay, think about this one. This is room. Originally the ventilators only they keep this side only, not downsides. Why? You have the lack of more problems are there. Maybe any snakes are coming, maybe any some dangerous the insects are coming here, the one that is that is. And also the downside always the cooling gas is there, only cooled gas only here, maybe cooled air only. But upsides have the maybe hot air is there. Okay, heat the energy in the upsides only here, this like. That's why in case of maybe in the ducting work people, and also the plaster of Paris they are doing. Therefore, that location they are using here. This look is the some the space is providing because the heat purpose. This internally the heat is stored here. Then after their thermocol sheets are using and do the plaster of Paris. Okay. Therefore, the principal causes of the spread of fire here, maybe the conduction, movement of the heat through materials. This is the convection method, movement of the hotter gases upside automatically. This is hot gas means automatically this is flowing upsides only. The cool gas is always downside only. The cool gas, okay, down. This is the spread of the fire up through. This is the movement of the hotter gases up through the air. Okay, the principal causes of the spread of fire. Okay, for example, this is the radiation mechanism because transfer of heat through the air. This is the direct burning, because direct burning means you take maybe the fire stick, for example, this one, then you are directly burn it, this one. This is the paper, for example. You are burn it. This is known as the direct burning process. But this is the radiation process. The radiation process means the transfer of heat through the air, because maybe the material is this location, maybe this is maybe the piece of paper, but this is the source of the ignition this side, but this automatically after some time this one heated. For example, the small the example I will give you. You know, all of you, everybody, about this magnifying glass. Okay, this magnifying glass is a just only this magnifying glass using. Okay, for example, sun rays. For example, this is the sun. Okay, this sun rays, the hits on this magnifying glass. For example, this is magnifying glass. This is magnifying glass. For example, this one magnifying glass. Therefore, automatically after some time, this one is maybe after 5 minutes, automatically this paper is burned. This is one of the radiation mechanism, magnifying glass. Okay, using, then automatically the fire also the spread, maybe transfer through the air also, automatically the particular the paper also burn. Okay, or fire. Therefore, this process is principal causes of the spread of fire, maybe radiation mechanism or the direct burning. Okay, the combustible materials in contact with the naked flame directly, this is burned. Okay, the causes of the fire. These are the different causes are there. First, deliberate. Nothing but arson. Arson, nothing but, for example, who at home means most of the fire is happening in, for example, at homes only. Maybe some cooking location, maybe something maybe fiery, or maybe some of the items automatically maybe the overheating. These are automatically sometimes make gas leak. These are the under the category of the arson. Arson, nothing but at the home location. This is a deliberate process. Home location. Okay, the causes of the fire. Next one, the electrical faults also, and most of the any the industries, and also the most of the any organizations, the construction site, maybe in case of any the trading companies or warehouses or maybe houses, most of the location the fire is first electrical firing also, or electrical faults. Okay, the electrical faults, maybe the overheating, this due to this electrical items, or maybe in case of the positive negative connecting, and maybe the over, maybe in case of the some shortage of the power, or maybe the overheating, this due to this one electrical faults that have because causes of fire. And misuse of electrical equipments also, because one equipment one purpose using, but maybe the same electrical equipment some other purpose using means automatically burn. Okay, smoke or materials also, maybe in case of some of the people also smoke in prohibited area, unfortunately they throw maybe the cigarette piece, then automatically that location automatically the fire. That's why some locations are smoking free zones compulsory, smoking in prohibited areas. In the UAE, the maybe some locations only they are allowed inside the offices. Okay, some other maybe some other locations never permitted. That's why smoking in the prohibited areas, that location that time maybe causes of fire. Loss of control, the burning rubbish also, loss of control. Okay, some of the burning items we don't have the control, automatically the maybe the fire. Heating equipment, maybe most of the more time we are using means automatically heated, then fire. Unsafe storage of materials, some of the items maybe acid, some of the chemicals, some of the gases, maybe unsafe manner they are stored, automatically after some time automatically they are fired. Okay, that items are fired. Maybe the flammable liquids and gases, the causes of fire. And also welding hot works location. Okay, the welding location also very carefully do the work, the welding work. Okay, different types of the weldings are there, arc welding, mechanical welding, and also so many electrical welding and so on. That location very carefully do the welding process, and also the hot works and mechanical heat due to the friction. means if maybe the turbines, maybe in case of the wheels, they are rotating, maybe automatical, maybe the bearings are maybe not lubricated, then automatically friction. Due to this friction that is heated, after that automatically the entire the machine also the burn, okay, fire, and entire building also fire. These are the causes of fire. Okay, the different classification of fires are there. Okay, the class A, B, C, D, E, F also. Okay, the E is the electrical category, that's why this is not mentioned in the this category. These are the classification of fires. Okay, these are the classification of fires A, B, C, D. The except not E, E is not providing here. Why not providing? This E is under category of the electrical like only. That's why not provided E. Okay, A, B, C, D, F. Okay, the A category class A, the type of fuel is nothing but combustible solids. Most of the solids under the class A category. And the class B, maybe flammable liquids. They are burned, maybe the flammable liquids or liquefied solids. These are the under category of the class B, the fires. Class C, the fires, this is the flammable gases. Okay, these gases only. The class D is the flammable metals. And F nothing but the combustible, the cooking media, our food items, maybe the LPG, all gases under this the category class F. Therefore, this type of the classes, maybe the class fires, class A, B, C, D, F, the fires, different types of the fire extinguishers are using. The fire extinguisher means, for example, in case of the one, maybe for example combustible solids, maybe in case of maybe one paper, maybe in case of maybe wood something, for example, if you consider this one is fired, for example, how the way the stop this fire, maybe use maybe in case of water. Therefore this is the extinguisher. These are known as the fire extinguishers, means reductions. Okay, fire reduction purpose, which type of the materials are using, these are known as the fire extinguishers. Okay, reduce the fire. Okay, therefore these are known as the extinguishers. Okay, fire extinguishers. Okay, everywhere this type of the fire extinguishers are compulsory arrange any building. This is the mandatory here in this the UAE location, the firefighting equipment. That's why in firefighting control, the department, the fire and safety, the certificate, NEBO certificate course is mandatory. Fire and safety, NEBO certification, this is the mandatory. Okay, that's why here the class A, B, C, D, and F. These are the different classes of fires. Means one location, maybe in case of the petrol, the one type of the petrol is nothing but the flammable liquid. This is the class B category. Okay, therefore this here, this one type of the category. Okay, therefore the same that type of the type of the particular the extinguisher compulsory using maybe carbon dioxide or liquid carbon dioxide, gas type of the carbon dioxide, okay, water, okay, or hose. Okay, these are the different. Maybe hose means this is water hose. Okay, water spreading, maybe just pipes you are using, hose nothing but. Therefore, maybe fume using. This is a reduction purpose, the fire reduction purpose, reducing purpose, and nullify purpose, the fire. These are the fire extinguishers are using. Okay, the fires, the involving electrical equipments, these are the category of the class E. This is electrical. The classified according to the sources of ignition rather than fuel source. New fuel source is considered here electrical nothing but all under due to this electrical only. Because electrical, for example, fan, maybe some plastic, for example. This is one of the combustible type of the solids, for example. Therefore, this one is burned. Which type of maybe the fire extinguisher using? But originally, this the fire, how the way fired? The first problem is the fuel is just like here in this case. The fuel is just the electrical type. After that, this plastic. Okay, plastic. After this, by this plastic means how they will reduce this fire by some of the way class A, some of the extinguisher using. Therefore, what are the extinguishers? The names, for example, class A means the type of extinguisher. Maybe water you are use it, maybe dry powder or carbon dioxide CO2 foam using. Okay, these are any extinguisher, then automatically they stop the fire, class C fire. For example, class B fire, Okay, these are the class B. What is this flammable liquids? Class B nothing but this is foam, the carbon dioxide, and also the dry powder. The class C, dry powder, water mist, foam using, and the class C, the dry powder, water mist, and foam. Class D is the sand, the soda ash, and also talcum powder. And the class F means this is the foam, and also the congeals on the top of the oil also. They are use it. And some of the electrical means use maybe carbon dioxide or dry powder. The carbon dioxide dry powder also use it. Therefore, these are the fire extinguishing agents. That's why these the NEBOSH guys also the work in the some of the organization as a the fire and safety department also their work fire and safety, because the fire and safety the course also same this the topic is they are also the studying the fire and safety, but they are extra is the fire drills are using, but everywhere fire drill is mandatory because every location fire drills, maybe any organization means compulsory, the maybe the 997 the people are coming and visit this location, and also they give the fire drills also, this type of the drills. Okay, the minimize the risk of the electrical fires, maybe the pre-inspection of by users. Okay, for example electrical fire, the sustainability of equipment, maybe the suitable or not, maybe the how many days this one is no problem, yeah, check it. And inspection maintenance by the competent staff is mandatory, and also the competent persons are need. Avoid misuse of equipments also, prevent overloading of circuits, character design and rating of task also. For example character design and rating means, for example this location maybe the 2 ampere socket, for example maybe this is the 5 ampere socket for need, but unfortunately I arrange only 2 ampere socket means this for automatically overloading, then automatically this 2 ampere socket is burned. Okay, therefore correct design and rating of the equipment is compulsory, and isolate if not in use. Okay, for example in case of your fan not using means you remove the socket, that is better. Okay, therefore isolate if not in use, or maybe in case of the that wires also remove it, that is better. Improved means of production, example RCD, residual current devices we are using. Residual current devices means the improved production purpose, simply just like our RCDs nothing but just fuses like only, already I explained you before RCDs about. Okay, the electrical the hazardous location, this is the just the fuses like, or maybe in case of the house purpose, maybe in case of the overloading, then automatically the trip. Okay, therefore this is the one of the production RCDs are used. High standards of housekeeping is need. Okay, the proper the clean and the lit also the properly, the staff awareness training is providing compulsory about electrical fires. Okay, and also the fires, these are the mandatory things. These are the minimizing risk of electrical fire. Fire risk assessment. Okay, how is the way the risk assessment done at the particular site location? These are the 5 type of the risk. Okay, first identify the hazard. Okay, identify who could be harmed and evaluate the risks and the adequacy of precautions. Record findings review. Already I told you before also. Okay, but the same. The everywhere risk assessment is similar. But here that location, the fire is means fire coming only. The what you most is. The 3 elements of the fire triangle compulsory is considered. Fire triangle means one is the oxygen, fuel, or smoothing. Okay, anyone is removing, automatically fire also reducing. Okay, therefore here the 3 elements of the triangle of fire is considered. Identify who could be harmed, persons at risk, particularly the disabled, etc. Okay, who are armed, maybe the harmed, because those people who are work at that location, high risk condition, they are considered. Okay, that is important thing. And also evaluate the risks and adequacy of precautions, means the considering the prevention methodology and also the production, because for example electrical location need maybe some the gloves that is providing, maybe the hot or the works location, if you directly touch means automatically the burn your hand also maybe, then use gloves. Okay, therefore compulsory protection measures are considered, precautions also followed. If you have any found, then record the findings also. Prepare an emergency plan, our requirement point of view. Okay, and review if no longer valid. For example, this work is completed, maybe in case of any shortfalls is reviewed. Okay, the everything is finished or not. This is the fire risk assessment process. The prevention, protection, and precautions, maybe fire prevention. Okay, means you are taking the control measures to reduce the risk of fire, maybe starting process, this one. And also the fire production means the spreading process. This is a structural measures to reduce the risk of fire. And also the event of fire, nothing but fire precautions, measures taken to reduce the risk in the event of fire. Means, for example, the fire prevention, nothing but control measures to reduce the risk of fire starting. Fire production means the structural measures to reduce the risk of fire spreading. Fire precautions, measures taken to reduce the risk in the event of fire. Means fire prevention is very important. The first only the prevent and the production also. For example, compulsory work that location. Then use some production equipments. Okay, you have analyze the risk. What type of the equipments are using? How much the problem? Maybe the how much risk is there? You identify it and fire precautions also. This is maybe fire coming. What type of the precautions you are following? Then you consider these three things are very important: prevention, the protection, and precautions. Okay, next one, the fire prevention process. First, aim to keep the three sides of the fire triangle apart. Okay, the compulsory you are as a fiery point of view. The compulsory consider the this fire prevention means the compulsory the triangle is considered. Okay, in this eliminate or reduce the storage of flammable materials. Okay, how do we prevent this fire? Better thing, for example, your home is there. Okay, maybe gas cylinder. For example, this is the gas cylinder. Okay, maybe this 1 month or maybe 20 days for one cylinder, for example, 20 days for one cylinder, the gas cylinder. Okay, therefore, for example, after 20 days, you book the one new one and also you take it. But unfortunately, okay, unfortunately, this one is maybe completed means then also never keep this type of the flammable type of the gases or something. Never keep extra at home. That is better thing. Okay, and also therefore eliminate or reduce the storage of flammable materials, maybe petrol. For example, every day you need maybe some 1 liter petrol. That's why one bulk, maybe 10 liters of petrol you keep at home. That is not a correct thing. Therefore, that's why the eliminate or reduce the storage of flammable materials. Control the ignition sources. These are the ignition source, petrol, and these all. Just the control it. Control smoking materials also, and also every house may be proper. The cleaning is done house outside and everything. This is the proper housekeeping is need means good housekeeping. Lubrication of machinery to prevent friction. For example, the machinery, maybe work on the machinery, maybe after 10 days, maybe after 5 days, compulsory use the lubrication process, grease. Okay, this one use the crude oil something that is important. Therefore, the lubrication is there. Then automatically work very smoothly. Okay, because lack of friction. Okay, friction automatically reducing. The bearings also work the properly. Then lubrication is done. Then prevent the this type of the frictions. Then automatically fire also reducing. No overloading of electrical systems. For example, 10 fans only working on the particular supply means only 10 fans only arrange and operate it. Don't maybe the just our the supply is very less, but use maybe 15 lights means that is overloading. Then automatically burn all items. No overloading of electrical systems. Regular inspections of electrical systems compulsory. The visit the particular site and inspect the particular the electrical equipments. Okay, ventilation outlets not obstructed. For example, houses also the proper ventilation system is mandatory. Okay, then the proper airflow is there means automatically. For example, that's why for example kitchen area, the kitchen area location, the very big type of the window is the providing. Why? In case of the internally you keep any the gas cylinder, then if you have any leak, then if you are spread into the entire room, then if you open the automatically the door, means that the entire this gas will be maybe go to the outside automatically, then reduce the that in case of the fires. That's why the proper ventilation system is need. If no ventilation, means automatically or maybe some systems automatically heated after automatically the fire. Okay. And the controlling hot work with permits, etc. Compulsory need hot work permits also. And also the proper storage of flammable materials, and also the segregation of incompatible chemicals also. The segregate, okay, which one is harm one, okay, which one is okay, no problem. These items segregated, that these are keep some other very far distance and keep securely. And security to prevent arson also. This is arson means at home location maybe. And also regular inspection and supervision. Okay, therefore at home the all equipments the properly the use it. Okay, don't leave any the maybe gas. Some of the people also never close the gas cylinder the knob. Okay, that automatically fire. Okay, that's why these are the fire prevention methods. And next one, the storage of highly flammable liquids and gases, minimum quantity. That's why I told you. For example, the liquids and gases you need maybe in case of petrol. Okay, don't never the keep more the petrol at home. Therefore, minimum quantity only. Suitable fixed storage tanks also the using. For example, petrol tanks, where it is located in cases of petrol bunks, in the ground only. Because if you have anything means automatically close the entire the if you have fired, for example, in case of the particular tank, the inside of the ground plane, then automatically they close it. That's why they keep the storage tanks and down only. Okay, suitable fixed storage tanks, keep upright in well the ventilated area, and clear markings of containers, clearly marked particular storage area also. The spillage controls means of spreading some this one. Okay, spread means sprinkle like here, then automatically control it spillage. Adequate ventilation facilities, the same, this is also the ventilated area. And also the suitable firefighting equipment is compulsory, the firefighting cylinders compulsory, trained competent staff is needed, and adequate the warning signs also the mandatory. Okay, these are the storage of highly flammable liquids and gases. The fire production, this is the compartmentation. Okay, splitting a building into separate sealed areas made of the fire resisting materials. These are known as the compartmentation. Means splitting a building into separate sealed areas, maybe the fire resistance materials. For example, this room, one single room, this is used fire resistance materials. The separate like, for example, the one big the room like only keep it means once happening something, for example fire, the entire building is burned. That's why the small separation, like only that room only the maybe the fire, that is the best purpose. Therefore, the separation is important. And also restricts the spread of fire and smoke within a building. Depends upon the use of the building height also, because this fire protection also that depends on this, the building height, the building the type, and also the floor area. For example, some locations, maybe floor, they are using maybe the wood. Okay, if you have anything is burned, maybe fire, the entire building also fire. That's fine. If you have maybe used tiles, okay, no problem. The tiles for compartmental, maybe compartment volume. And also these are the some of the fire protection. Okay, and fire resistance materials. In this, the primary construction, the main fabric or the building. Also, this is the primary construction point of view. These are the fire resistance material. Secondary construction, nothing but internal partitioning, bricks, concrete, structural steel. Okay, for example, the first automatically, for example, one For example, curtains, these are the fabric. The first, the bond these ones. After that, maybe internal partitions, maybe the wall, maybe used with maybe some of the bricks, maybe concrete, the structure, steel. This one is after, this one is the fire. Therefore, these are the primary construction, secondary construction. These are the fire resistance materials are used. That is the better thing. And fire precautions, maybe fire smoke detection, alarms are compulsory arranging. But here this location is mandatory in UAE. This fire smoke detection, for example, in case of if any smoke coming means the smoke detectors automatically identify. Okay, then they give the buzzer sound. Some automatically fire alarms are maybe ringing. Then the alert is there, maybe the security guards and they inform to the firefighting the maybe the people, maybe the fire marshals automatically they came, and also the firemen they came and visit the particular site, and also they done the process and everything. Okay, therefore the fire precautions point of fire smoke detections compulsory, these equipments, and fire alarms, means of escape also. If you have this fire, then provide the proper escape system. Escape nothing but exits, doors. For example, 100 people are there, one room. Okay, this is 100 people. Then the meeting is maybe the going on here. 100 people are sitting here. This like here. Then unfortunately, this location is fired. Only one door is there here. This location. How they will? This is fired. Maybe the escape is very important. Therefore, means of the fighting the fire, means of the escape is important. Means of the fighting the fight, emergency evacuation procedures also. Maybe then that's why the most of the locations, if you have we consider any the big building, compulsory the lifts also arranging. For example, this is lift is there, for example. But maybe the near side compulsory, the steps also providing. If you have a lift location, anything will happen. Okay, maybe the fire, then you are never go to inside to the this lift, because lift also automatically heated. Then automatically you are inside means automatically you are also just the cook like food like. Okay, therefore use the time the steps only. Okay, that's why that purpose compulsory they arrange the steps. Okay, emergency evacuation procedures are there arranged. Fire smoke detection, maybe smoke detection, heat flame detection. The fire alarms nothing but maybe the gongs, maybe bells, etc. And also sometimes break glass points. In case of if you check in any the metro, or in case of buses, for example, RTA buses or metro location, one just one hammer is there. You check it firefighting location, one hammer with small glass. Okay, then automatically if you have anything happen by using this hammer, is this break this glass and you escape it. That purpose. That's why never misuse this one. Okay. This for the gongs, bells, etc. Break glass points, automatic systems, maybe continuous detection, maybe alarm soundings also. Okay. The call the fire brigade, indicate location of fire, trigger extinguishers also using. Okay. These are the fire alarms. Means of escape. The definition. What is the escape? Escape. Which purpose? For example, a means of escape is a continuous path along which a person can travel from wherever she may be in the building and reach safety by his own unaided efforts. For example, this is the one room. For example, this is one room. This is the escape. For example, this is the one way. By using this way means they are mentioned automatically. This is escape location. Then automatically escape safely here. Okay, that's why in case of any the journey by using the air freight, nothing but the flight journey means aeroplane. The first they give the some instructions. Okay, for example, this is the flight. Nearly this is the 6 doors are available. Okay, the in the 6 doors, 2 doors something are the 3 doors are the maybe the emergency doors. If you have anything is happened, the follow the rules. And also down your seat down we have the some jacket also. This way they are providing this escape mechanism. Escape only, a means of escape is a continuous path automatically or safe purpose only. This is escape nothing but maybe thief is there. For example, in case of the police, is maybe catch him, but he is unfortunately he is escaping. That is the other thing. But this is only escape is one purpose. This escape is our safety purpose. Okay, these are the escape. The maybe the exits also they are arranging compulsory this way. If you have any fire is happened, for example, then escape this way. This is the mentioning this one compulsory the mention. Here fire, for example, use this way this door or something like here. This is the suitable of means of escape point of view. Number of employees to use it. Any people with special needs also. Some people maybe the in case of the maybe they have one leg, maybe the one hand, something. These people are compulsory. These are disabled persons. They need some of the compulsory. Some others need. Okay, that is also the special needs. Fire resistance of structure also the important. Position, number of escape routes also. For example, 1,000 people are working inside, but only this escape routes only two means nearly the 1,000 means maybe 5,500 people compulsory they died. Why? Because the due to this the maybe the full rush automatically that location automatically some people are maybe died and lack of oxygen. There are a lot of problems. That's why the number of people also they are compulsory. They check that's the according to that's one they provide some the fire the exists also. Okay, position, number of escape routes, content which are readily ignitable, open wells, open staircases. The staircases, that's why the easily they are moving. If anything happen, use staircase, that is better thing. Okay. Open wells also. Use of building. Okay. This way here. This is the fire exit is there. But unfortunately, this guys, okay, this guy the keep some material here, this location. Okay. Therefore, never arrange this type of the materials. Compulsory fire exit means compulsory the clean. This is easily escape this location by using this location. That is important, mandatory. This is the fire exits happen. Fire then easily move this way. Use staircases. Multiple exits are mandatory. Okay, and fire resistance of structure and the adequate size of for numbers, travel distance, clearly marked exits, emergency lighting, exits free of obstructions. Okay, fire exit doors, unlocked opening outwards. Okay, never lock it. Easily unlock. That's one. Every time you are easily move it. Fire smoke doors, the self closing also automatically. The fire stays to upper floors, exit to safe place. This way, the means of escape. These are the fire. Okay, the fixed firefighting equipments. This is the cylinder here. The firefighting equipments. Okay, this is known as the hose. This is known as the hose reel. This is sprinkler. This is spread this like this is water. Whatever these are the sprinklers. Okay, these are the fire extinguisher. This is the cylinder, the type. The hose reel, the advantages and disadvantages. Okay, and the this one is I will continue the maybe Friday class. Okay, Friday I will start the lesson from the 10 o'clock, not 9 o'clock. Maybe 2 hours, 2.5 hours is enough. Maybe 12:30 or maybe before 12:30 I will finish this the entire the session. Okay, 10 to 12:30 the close entire everything. Okay, therefore and also the concentrate on 10 to 12:30 and maybe if you possible meet I will send you the link maybe the maximum maybe 9:30 after only not before 9:30 I never start the class. Some people also ask me, that's why 9:30 after only I start the class. That's why I will send you the link, then only you maybe in with means log in the particular Zoom call. Okay, tomorrow maybe the Friday I will finish entire course and also the I will explain about maybe the few things about this OBE exam. Maybe 3 minutes remaining. Maybe I will take the 5 minutes. I will explain you the little bit the information. Then remaining everything I explain about in the Friday also. Then here this is the open book exam. This open book exam is the very easy point of view exam. but the unfortunately the comparatively the before one is the directly textbook only. Okay, just a textbook what you read, you present that location, that is enough, the before one. But this one is only the practical oriented only. This exam is just only the scene. For example, one construction area. In this construction location, maybe the electrical equipment some problem. Okay, the electrical equipment maybe some the one socket is problem. Okay, then the socket location what problem. If you use some other maybe the electrical guy with maybe someone the Hilti machine is using Hilti machine, the keep in the socket the particular socket location the Hilti machine, then the automatically the Hilti machine is burned. After that automatically this is fired. Okay, why, what problems? Okay, who is the responsible person, what problem, what type of the controls measures are considered, what about the inspection point of view. Okay, inspection point of view, what about the direct cost, what about the indirect cost, what about the function of the maybe what the role of the health and safety officer, what the role of the particular the owner of the company employer, what about the manager, what about the supervisor. Okay, indirect and direct costs. Okay, what about the in government organizations. Okay, whatever the risk assessment. This way this everything is analyzing. Only how they will analyze, because you know about the this subject. Okay, by using this subject you analyze just only the think. Okay, if the one location is fired, okay, what type of inspections are need. Okay, what about the culture the between the workers. Okay, how the way complaint is given, what type of precautions are followed. Okay, maybe in case of that particular socket, how do we remove it. Okay, what about the risk assessment matrix, this everything is analyzing. Okay, these are the very important things. This way the process is need. This is the IG1 IGC1, this is the NEBOSH. Okay, the exam, your exam. Okay, this exam is the open book exam. Okay, all of you, this open book exam is the one of the good exam. Hmm? This is open book exam. Okay, this open book exam is the easiest point of view. Okay, this easiest point of view this exam. And this exam, okay, this one is unit IG1. Okay, this is IGC1. Before old people also IGC1, therefore the both the paper is same similar. Okay, the management of international the health and safety, this purpose the same, the paper fire and safety risk management the same, the certificate construction health and safety. This course is only suitable health and safety purpose, that's why the construction health and safety. This down one is the fire safety and risk management only, the fire and safety purpose only risk point of view. But this occupational health and safety, this safety means all the construction safety, maybe risk management, the environmental safety, the fire safety. This everything is the useful. That's why the everybody is prefer this NEBOSH IG1. Okay, International General Certificate in Occupational Health and Safety is mostly preferred. Okay, this is the exam is the just only the 24 hours. Just 24 hours you finish exam. But originally this exam paper, okay, you think it means just only 4 hours you are finish the entire the exam. The automatically the 4 hours is enough to finish this entire one. This 4 hours to the finish the entire one. Okay, the 4 hours is enough to finish entire one. Okay, and also you check this the nebosh.org.uk website and you get the full details also. And I will explain the how the way the process. But the one good thing, for example, some people don't have the writing skills, but they have the very good the speaking skills. Okay, they are elaborate skills. Then now is very good the one, because use maybe your system you are type it, that is better thing. Maybe you are copy and paste it also. But here the one the one the drawback point of view, here the plagiarism is there. Plagiarism nothing but, for example, two guys the two people are there, for example, the two people the same you wrote means, then automatically identify the plagiarism. Okay, the both people are the copying, then they are disqualified them. That's why your own words you are writing, that is the better thing. That's why here the examination will take you approximately 4 hours to complete. That is enough. Within the 4 hours you finished automatically, but you take it the one time also, no problem. Okay, nearly the 24 hours available. Okay, within 24 hours you finish the exam. And also nearly the 3000 words are using. The below 3000 words, the most of the people never write above 3000 words. The below 3000 words are enough. Below 3000 words. The other thing is the just the maybe in case of the use, maybe some people don't have the skills. For example, the typing skills. Okay, document typing skills are very less. Then there you write it also. They take the paper. Okay, they take the paper and they write it, and by using your mobile phone, that take the photo, maybe jpg format or png format, or maybe the convert into the pdf also, your any format or document format, whatever it may be. You send the document, you are uploaded only. Okay, one the so same our maybe apps like. Okay, one app is provided by the our Nibosh team. Okay, this app also I will explain you how they will download this app. Okay, how they will download this app. Okay, after downloading process is done, then install it. Okay, this Android version also there, and also the iPhone, the Apple version also available, no problem. The anywhere you are easily the download it. Okay, and the downloading done, after that the automatically the download process done, after you enroll it. Okay, and the particular exam day, the 6th of August. Okay, the morning, the maybe UK timing only, the UK time 9 o'clock. Okay, then the international timing you check it. Okay, 9 a.m. they are issue the one the exam paper. Okay, by using your learner's number. Okay, after your name and your password, uh, use it. After download the question paper. Okay, and template also there, the document template, because answer script, you how do we type this one, this is an inform me give it. Okay, then type this one. Or some people don't have the knowledge of the typing means, they are use one paper, and the start the question number, and writing is started. After they upload it and finally submit it means enough, your exam is completed, like the entire exam. Okay, this is the one, the app or the process. Okay, and the some other one. This is the exam. For example, the scenario, one location is, for example, the construction location, and 20 other office based workers are there. For example, that location, maybe one person have the maybe the hearing problem happened, for example, and maybe the office location, some contact managers are there, maybe some coordinators are there, and also the construction worker, the contractors are there, maybe in case of that location. Okay, in this location, the what happening. Okay, then some everything is given here. Then this way, only discussion point of view only, the task, maybe 10 marks question, like here, task 1, task 2, task 3. How they will write this task 1, task 2? For example, you have already learned some knowledge. By using that knowledge, you start the writing. For example, you have been asked to the chair the health and safety committee meeting. Okay, for example, one committee meeting is going on. For example, committee meeting, this committee meeting nothing but the committee meeting. Okay, in this committee meeting, you are also one of the newly joined the appointed the one health and safety officer, for example. Okay, in this, how the way meeting, okay, conducting, and also whatever the moral expectations of health and safety. Okay, meeting by reminding, then you are give the answer. Just you should support your answer where applicable, using relevant information from the particular scenario. discussing the moral reasons for manage the health and safety. This way, for example, some location, some near misses happened. Okay, for example, one location, the accent is missed. Why? What if of the maybe in case of any the traffic rules are never following? Okay, and what the driver is problem. This way you are analyzing only the one words, but the easiest only, but just only use your any material, and also just only you think it your own self, and also you write it and also type it, or maybe in case of the paper is taken, that is the easiest method. But only one thing, not direct questions, these are the indirect questions. And the indirect questions at the same time, some only just only the practical base, like only for example, if you think it your manner only. Okay, after that we have the interview session also, because our maybe we only the telling automatically, um, we tell the particular which date is the interview. Okay, after the maybe the 10 minutes or 20 minutes only, because only you are at just only write the answers. From that one only you get, maybe they are asked the questions. Why their questions are asking means, okay, you only submit the question paper or not, that's purpose only they are asking. Because you know the knowledge on the not particular field or not, that's purpose only they are investigating. Okay, that purpose only, not assessment, that one, that is not a assessment, just only the clarification purpose. Okay, he already attended the classes. Okay, he know the something, he only write this one, this information, that purpose only, never copy. Okay, and this information I everything, because nearly the big process is there, I will explain you everything about this OBE exam, because already time up, nearly the 9 minutes completed. These are the task 1, okay, 10 marks, task 2, the 10 marks, task 3, 10 marks, task 4, 10 marks, task 5, 15 marks, something here given. Okay, task 4 5 marks, task 5 that 15 marks, this is 50 marks for example. The same another maybe task also something, some another 50 also coming, same there, the same here, this type of the questions are the actual examiner's question paper will contain tasks and questions also. Okay, these questions you are explained this manner. This is the, just only you have the skills, the little bit skills is enough. Okay, therefore now maybe the a lot of people are enrolled this examination, this open book examination. Okay, then maybe some other people also help it, no problem, and also, but you get the knowledge, full knowledge, you gain it your own manner, you write it, that is the better thing. But they are asking, that's why the question only what you wrote. Okay, how they will present this one, that purpose they are asking, the interview, the Zoom calling. Okay, then they are asked, that is your experiments enough. Okay, this is the one of the methodology. Okay, if you have anybody have any doubt, and maybe I will clarify, maybe the Friday I will clarify what your doubts and everything. Okay, this is the 24 hours the exam, open book exam. Just only why already I the maybe that get the information I before, not now, nearly the at a open book exam the starting time, I send them my message to the Nibosh team. The Nibosh people are, they told me, sir, the questions are never directly. Why? Because for example, everybody have the material, they are just only copy and paste it enough. That's why we are giving the indirect questions, only the practical manner. Okay, only what he is learned, that is applicable to just only practically, then you write it enough. Okay, that mm, the points are taken. And also they, maybe for example, one guy injured, what process, stepwise, maybe injured, then inform to the supervisor, after that inform to the maybe higher authorities, and you go, you visit the for example first aid box location, then you take maybe the do the first aid. Okay, this way the process is done. Then what about the maybe the indirect costs, what about the direct costs, this way explain it, that is enough. Therefore what you learn, the indirect direct costs you are learning it. Okay, first aid location, what is happening, you know it. Therefore you are club it, this manner, this practically you write it. This is the examination. Okay, all right. Okay, anybody have any doubt? And just only I will clarify it. Okay, and okay, thank you. Already session is complete, nearly the 12 minutes extra. Okay, sorry for the delay. If you have anybody have any doubt, just you inform me. Okay, thank you. Okay, anybody have any doubt? Excuse me, I have to go to work. Send me the video kindly. Okay, okay, no problem. Anybody have,
Thank
I
you,
will
sir.
send you.
Thank you.
Okay, okay. I will send you the video also, video link also. Don't worry. Okay, and also this one also I will explain the Friday also, because open book exam very maybe your friends also there, means you inform them, because this is the one good opportunity. They don't have the knowledge
Yes, sir.
also. Okay, they don't have knowledge also. They write it the examination. That is the best thing. Okay, because just only we give the best training also, then automatically they explain. Maybe in case of interview time, that is enough. Interview time, they maybe in case of the explain means they get the full marks. Okay, therefore 90% also now also never the pass marks also not announcing, because originally whole time is 45 marks is the pass mark, but now is not announcing. Already I verifying, I also get the information about neighbors. Maybe in the future they are allotting this pass marks also. I think 100% members are passed maybe this time only. Okay, but before is only the 40-50% only pass percentage, but now is 100% of the pass percentage. Okay, all of you. Okay, and also all the best. Okay, thank you, thank you, thank you guys.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye bye.